Alright guys, so we're just waiting to get this live stream started. Let's just wait, I don't know, 5 seconds. Let me turn the sound off my phone. I tried getting that down, but alright guys, so we're live. Welcome to Cyberdream Developers. This is James Roberts. I am your host for today. Cyberdream Developers, real quickly, is it looks like a web development and online marketing company. It looks like that, but really what we do is we build online solutions for our clients that help them to connect with their clients and customers so their business can grow. And that's what we're doing here on our YouTube channel. We're not so much building websites as much as we're creating online solutions. So you might own a veterinarian practice and you need to get in some more clients. We might build a veterinarian website or a vet website, and we might look into some marketing and conversion strategies, right? So we're not just building websites here, we're not just doing marketing, we're looking at techniques, tactics to get you and your business to connect with your clients and customers, build a relationship so you can make some money. All right, so we're in some news today. We're looking at the Astra theme, and guys, like 90% of my websites have been built with Astra, and 100% of them is affiliated with Astra. I'll show you what I mean soon. All right, so the news here is that the Astra Themes Header and Footer Builder has been announced. And a lot of you guys might not know what a header and footer builder is in Astra. We're going to get there soon. So I'm subscribed to Astra, and that's my name, Jabez. And they sent this email. I'm hoping that you guys are subscribed. But if you're not, it basically says that I'm overwhelmed to share with you. That's their CEO speaking. It says, yes, the header footer is almost ready and you can be the first to try it. The sad thing is I don't remember reading when it's going to be released. But okay, it said this is one more reason that 2020 has given us to smile. The biggest being Astra 1 million active installs. That was previously. They gave us like 20 to 25% off, I believe. It says highlight of the header footer are below. It has a drag and drop header builder. And we're going to get into all of these, guys. I'm just reading what was sent and reading what is posted. Then I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. Well, not exactly, because what I'll be using the Cadence theme. And the only reason why I use the Cadence theme, trust me guys, two reasons why I use the Cadence theme. I can edit the way my blog page looks. Because if you go to Cyberdream Developers right now, and you look at the blog page, it looks nasty. And the header and footer builder was just so amazing. I couldn't wait for Astra. All right, so that's the two websites I have with Cadence. All right, so the drag and drop header builder, that's coming. We have designed multi-layer headers. So basically, you can have one header on top of another. I think I have Elementor open. Yes. Okay, so let's assume that we're building a header right now. Multi-layer header is like you'll have one layer here. Let me just drop title tag here, and I'll just call this primary. Don't pay attention to what's there. It's just to give you an example, guys. So this is the primary, and then we could add one above it that I'm just going to call it the top header, which isn't very creative. I am not paid to do copywriting, guys. So top header. All right, guys. And then you can have, and I'm going to make this a little bit smaller because you're going to have like a text and a text like your number and maybe an email address or something there. And then you're going to have, I'm going to have it below the primary. You're going to have another header. That's what multi-layer headers are. And that's going to be your header going forward. I'm just going to go ahead and say that this is going to have like blog post categories. All right, so I'm going to show you this in a while in action with the Cadence theme, because that is why I used Cadence. And I'm going to show you some crazy thing I did. The guys from Astra might see this and be like, what the hell did this guy do? All right, so let's get back to the email. All right, so we have multi-layer headers. We have drag and drop footer builder. Now, drag and drop footer builder is going to be exactly like you see right here. And you can drag an element somewhere and you can get it built nicely. Okay, so that is what a drag and drop footer builder is going to be, except it's going to be for the footer. So let me just go to the footer of this website. All right, so my footer looks really nasty because a lot of pages that need to be there aren't added yet because we are redesigning the website. So if you guys don't know, we're having a redesign series for this website. Once we're finished with this, we're going to move on to another website. Additionally, we are building websites daily. All right, so that's why this looks like this. We're going to be fixing this live. So if you want to know how to fix your website or how to create an awesome footer, because let me show you one right now. So this is Aurora Cloud WS. It's my premium hosting solution, well, one of, and the footer is magnificent. All right, so we're going to be looking at footer. By the way, this is a part of the footer as well. Subscribe to our newsletter. All right, so the footer right here, magnificent, absolutely amazing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fixing the footer on this website, and I'm thinking that by the time we get to working on the footer, and we're going to do some work on the header as well, I'm thinking that Astra's Header and Footer Builder will be out. Awesome, right? Now, it says that, well, it doesn't tell us when, but it says, in my next email, I will fulfill my promise that you try the header and footer builder yourself. A promise is a promise, and that is Sujay Pawar. He's his co-founder. Now, the thing about it, guys, is that we don't know the exact date it's going to be released, and I'm thinking where he says, in my next email, I'll fulfill my promise to let you try the header footer builder. I think what that means is that we'll be beta testing it, or we'll have an opportunity to beta test it. So I'm fine whenever. I'm just happy that it's actually announced. In the email, there is a link to read more. I'm gonna post the link to this article just in case you aren't subscribed, and you can go ahead and read it. And it basically gives you videos of what it's going to look like. I'm hoping this can't be copyrighted. So this is what the drag and drop header will look like. Let's go for it. Let me fix that, and let us go back. Okay, so this is what a header and footer builder will look like. Alright, so I'm just going to shut up so you guys can pay attention. And cadence is a lot like this, and it feels nothing. Let me shut up for a while, guys, so you guys can enjoy this for this minute. I'm excited. And just to pause for a moment, as you guys can see, they're adding these widgets here in the different layers. Remember, we had the top header, the primary header, and the blog categories header. Basically, that's what we call it. They're adding them here, and they're being shown here. Wonderful, absolutely amazing. Drag and drop, as we know to do with Elementor and Gutenberg and all of those page builders, right? So it's right up the WordPress alley, no learning curve needed. It's going to be amazing, guys. You're going to love it. It's so amazing. Alright, so this video is almost done. We're going to take a look at the footer builder once we're finished. There are 3 videos on the website. You can go ahead and check the link in the description below for this, and then you can watch the videos on your own. Alright, so let's go to the footer builder. Alright, this is customize headers to match your website style, and that's fine. That's basically what we've watched here with a little less detail. Alright, so we can go ahead and watch that if we like. Let me just stop this. Okay, so we can go ahead and look at this, and here is the footer builder. Where is it? Footer builder. Okay, so the footer builder is right here. So this is a footer builder. Then we're going to address the things we just scrolled past. Alright, so this is a footer builder. Absolutely amazing. I need something like this to create a footer on Aurora Cloud and Lightning-based website. And those are the only reason, and the blog page where I use those. So nothing wrong with Cadence. This class is awesome, but I would have stuck to Astra because Astra has better starter sites than Cadence. Cadence's starter sites are terrible. And you need to get an actual designer with Builder to build them. Demo websites, like at least 1 website per week for the next 6 months. Different categories, just like so that's a huge part of beginners getting their website. They build so much less, right? So this is footer builder. They haven't made an exciting one like this, but I think that what they're doing here is they're doing something similar to Cadence. Alright, guys, and what I want to point out is these headers can be built with their header and footer builder. But there's something I should look at though. On my Elementor website, and I'm going to go there right now, I have the header and footer builder. Alright, guys, so I'm going there. I have the header and footer builder, but not the default Elementor version. Alright, not the default Elementor version. So if you go to appearance, where's appearance? Appearance, header, footer, and blocks. I'm thinking I can use that to create it because this was built using Elementor And for you guys who are design savvy, I'm sure you can build this with Elementor. This is so easy to build with Elementor. I could build it right now. Now you just need one section with the menu and another section with this information and some links. It's really easy. So let's see how much of an improvement it is. Right now I'm going to get into showing you what I've done with Cadence. So this website is built using Cadence. This is AuroraCloudWS.com. This is my premium hosting service. Whenever you host with us, you get your personal website security team with you. So you don't have to worry about website security. And for agency owners and web designers and SEO agencies and all that, premium hosting with website security, that can only be awesome for your website. All right, so enough of the promotion. This was built with Cadence. All right, so look at what's happening here. This is the primary header right here. All right, primary header, very nice scroll and whatnot. Primary header. Now up here is what I would have called the top header at the start of this video, and it's links to my channels. Now I don't remember if I put in the links. So I'm pretty scared. I'm pretty scared to click on it. I don't think I put in the link, guys. I did not put in the link. I didn't put in the link, guys. So I was right for being scared. I was right for being scared. Alright, so let me just leave that right here. Okay, so that's that. Now I wanted to look at what they're saying. Here they mentioned a sticky header. So when you scroll, where is it? It's at the top. You have a sticky header as well. So when you scroll, you're going to have what's called a sticky header, and it's better to show you than to explain. I'm going to scroll. Okay, so you notice that first, this is the logo that I'm using, but now when you scroll, this is the logo that I'm using. The header changes just a bit, and there isn't a social icon menu here. All right, but the menu is there. Awesome, wonderful. So here's what you guys need to take a look at. This is going to be available in Astra. This is Cadence, all right? And for the footer, it's quite easy. Okay, I can show you the plans real quick. $35 per month for one website, and we have discounts for the agency and enterprise websites. Matter of fact, all the plans have 3 different tiers. So you have the starter, agency, and enterprise. All right, so let's go down. You have the freelance plans. So you have freelance starter, freelance grow, freelance plus. All right, then you have the agency plans, then you have the enterprise plans, and they have 3 different tiers in each of them. So you have the starter, grow, and plus. So we won't look at hosting right now. We will talk about hosting at a different time. And by the way, I did create this website. I did design it. I do love designing websites, I won't lie. Okay, guys. So this footer right here was built using Footer Builder, right? So I did not use Cadence's Footer Builder to create this footer. This was created using Footer Builder and Blocks. Is that what it's called? Header, footer, and blocks. Header, footer, and blocks. And it uses Elementor. So this footer was built using Elementor. This section as well, drag and drop. So what I'm saying is I want to see, also this is a part of the footer, guys. This is a part of the footer. I want to see how much of an advantage do I get from using Astra's header and footer compared to using header, footer, builder. Header, footer, blocks? I think that's what it's called. Whatever. It's right here, guys. Header, footer, and blocks. All right, so I mentioned that I did something crazy with my website. All right. So this is using the Cadence theme right now, but I actually, and this is going to be crazy for you guys, I actually started with Astra, then I switched over to Cadence, which I haven't figured out how to do it wonderfully yet, and I lost a bit of the awesome design that I had. All right, so I'm going to show you something really scary. So first, let us go back here. Let us go to appearance. Let us go to themes. So you're going to see one theme active here, and that's, well, I created a child theme a while back because I could have, and I use it on my client site. So whenever someone Googles which theme my client site is using, my actual name comes up. It might have been genius marketing. It might not have been. We don't know yet. Let's see how it ages, all right? So this is the theme that is active because this child theme uses this theme. Tongue twister. All right, but here's the crazy thing. I am right here. Okay, so this is a new site, and I'm really happy with these numbers. This site has been up for less than a month, guys. All right, so let's just go to appearance and themes. And you can see Cadence right here. And this is for Cadence, I believe, as well. So when you go to themes right here, you're going to see something very strange, something you don't normally see. Right here, I have Cadence active, but Cadence was only activated after I built the site using Astra. And another reason why I love Astra is whenever you're building with Astra, you can use so many blocks and pre-built website templates to make your development so much easier. It's so much easier for a beginner to get online. Alright, so whenever you come to my tutorials on how to design a website or build a website, that is why I tend to use Astra, and I'm thinking of using Divi. If you guys want me to use Divi as well, comment below or send me a message somewhere. I'm easy to find on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I'm actually on LinkedIn as well. Jabez Roberts, Cyberdream Developers. Alright, or you can email me jabez.roberts137@gmail or jabez.roberts@Cyberdream Developers. Alright, so I used this theme to build the website because the blocks are so much easier to use, and I wanted to build the site fast because I have to pay for that VPS and it's not cheap. Alright, so I need to get the site up quickly. But then I switched to Cadence, and when I switched to Cadence, I switched so I could have the header that I just showed you. So I'm going to go in the default WordPress header. Nope, I went the wrong place. Where I should go is customize, and I'm going to go into the Cadence header builder as well. So customize as well. So I'm going to compare them side by side, and this is what Astra is going to be doing soon. So this is the old way of building a header. You go to header and primary header, and you ensure you can choose a different setup. All right, guys. So you can let the logo be at the top, the menu be below it, or you can let the logo be on the right. All right. Actually, this doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad, does it, guys? It doesn't. It does not. All right. So I think I'll leave that. And you leave. And I'm using a transparent header, as you guys might see. So you go to transparent header and you start designing. I'm not going to play with the actually, let me just save it so I can just keep it like that. And then you start playing with it. So you go with background. You're going to set a background. You probably want to keep it transparent using transparent header. All right, guys. And then you go to site title. I don't have a site title. You go to menu. The background color of the menu is probably a nice blue. All right. Or a blue wouldn't look so good. All right. You have that. So this is what it was like. Not very nice at all. This is where we're leaving. This is where we're going to. So you go to header. This is a Cadence theme active right now. Okay. So you go to header, and after you go to header, this is what you're working with. So look at this at the blog post that they shared. That is not it. That is not it. Okay, here it is. So this is what they shared. All right. This is the header, 3 columns, and it's right here. 3 columns. You can add a search right here beside my social. Let me scroll up and the search will appear. The thing that I don't like about this builder right here, I don't know if it's my caching or if it's because I'm trying to have it play nicely with Astra or what. I don't know. But when I make a change, I have to click on the page, have the page reload manually for the change to appear. So maybe that is my fault. Don't blame Cadence. And there is a search. All right, so there's a search that we just added. So that's what we're going to be working with right now. And we can go to the tablet or mobile builder, and that works the same as well. So what is the point of all this? Astra is about to get amazing. I have an affiliate link, but I will not be promoting affiliate links here right now because I'm just trying to build a community where you guys can connect. I'm not so much for the money. But of course, if you want me to build a website for you, want to host with my companies, then certainly. Or if you want website security, sure. So when Astra's header and footer builder is released on our live build right here, we're going to be using that. All right. And in using that, you learn how to use it, because this right here, the reason why I didn't use it for the footer, it's so robust. I don't like it for the footer. The options are limited, so limited. All right, guys, the options are limited, and I can work on this, but I'll just wait until I change it. All right. So thank you guys for joining with us today. I'm gonna be continuing our live build for the exercise and affiliate website over the weekend. I had a trouble yesterday. I couldn't get to post 2 videos, and I had the same issue today again. I couldn't post 2 videos. and Fridays I'm normally so busy, it's crazy. So over the weekend we're going to be finishing the exercise and affiliate website. We're going to be continuing the redesign of Cyberdream developers website, and we're going to start an e-commerce website next week. I already have an e-commerce website, so I'm going to be using the products from that website to build this website, because then I'll have professional pictures, and yeah, you get the idea, right? So thank you guys for joining. Subscribe for more news, and not just WordPress and website development, but marketing, getting clients and customers and all that stuff. And I'll see you soon. Cheers.